MSE has also designed a state-of-the-art safety system that exceeds regulatory standards for erecting steel and allows for safe and easy installation while the steel is still on the ground. There are 3 main types of safety brackets in use by MSE, all using the same cables and posts. They are 1. Inside bracket, 2. Outside or web bracket, and 3. Clamping bracket. This is what makes it possible to produce an exceptional product for our clients in a timely and efficient manner. Our commitment to safety has given us a high standing in the steel industry. This has opened doors to new markets and opportunities that have allowed us to become an industry leader in the fabrication and installation of structural steel.